Hello, fellow beekeepers. I want to tell you how I save weak, poorly overwintered bee colonies. I have three such very weak bee colonies. Now I will open one of these bee colonies. You can see what is left of this bee family. Here, how would it be better to show? On this frame there is a little bee brood and a little bit of bees. Also on the second frame. What do I do in this case? It is dangerous to reinforce such a bee family with brood. At the exit it can freeze because the nights are still cold. Therefore, I find and take out to frames this brood from strong bee colonies on which there are many young bees and shake all the bees from them into a potable box. When I wait until bee-flying bees fly away and only young bees remain in the box. Now I spray these young bees in the box with a warm, sweet, minty water solution to make them smell the same as the bees of this family I will be strengthening. The bee family which I will strengthen, I sprayed with the same solution in advance. So I carry a box with bees to hive with a big bee family. In order to make it more convenient to pour the bees out of the box into the hive, I shake it off on one side of the box. Now I will once again show how many bees are in this hive. Here are all the bees on this frame, the same number of bees on the other frames this brood. There is a queen bee in the family, just in case. I planted it in a cage. Although the bees don't seem to be fighting, it is spring now, and I sprayed the bees, giving them the same smell. Well, anyway, just in case. So I pour out the bees from the box into the hive, hitting the box on the edge of the hive. Almost all the bees are in the hive. Now I will shake it out a little more. And now you can see how many bees are in the hive. And here is this bee family the next day after strengthening. Now we will look at it. Even without disassembling the next, it is clear that there are more bees. That's how many bees now. I hope you can see well. There are a lot more bees. The cell with the queen bee is empty. The queen came out. Here is a frame this brood which the bees are sitting on. The bees have become noticeably large. Now tomorrow to the further strengthen this bee colony, you can substitute brood at the exit. And thus this colony, in which there were very few bees, will be saved. In conclusion, I would like to say following. Many beekeepers will now say, and why save such weak bee colonies? And I agree with them. It is easier to get rid of such bee colonies or connect them to other bee colonies. Yes, for those beekeepers who have 50, 100 or more bee colonies, each hungry makes sense to waste time saving such colonies by strengthening them. But for beginner beekeepers and beekeepers who have from 4 to 10 bee colonies, in my opinion, it makes sense to save such very weak colonies. If anyone has any question about this video, ask them in the comments, subscribe to the channel, put likes or dislikes. Best wishes to you. See you.